So I have this Google Sheet open, and all of these rows are new leads that are coming in from a campaign in Meta. What I would like to do is every time a new lead comes in, I would like to add them automatically to a sequence that I have set up in Kids. So we are advertising a program that is called 30-Day Meta Advertising Program, and we would like any leads to be sent these emails that we've prepared for them. So I've already opened up Zapier, which is what we're going to use to set up this automation, and I have given a prompt. So they have a copilot, and I said, I have a Google Sheet that will add leads automatically from Meta. I want each new lead to be added to a sequence in Kit. So it went through the steps and helped set up the automation, but there is still a little bit of work to do. So I'm going to go here and just kind of work through the individual settings in order to make sure that this sequence is firing correctly. So I can see that the pilot program meta leads form, that's the same form that I'm using here, same name. So I'm going to go ahead and select sheet 1, select team drive. Okay, so now that we've got that set up, went ahead and tested it, and we can see that all of the fields look like they've been connected. Perfect. Now we're going to select the sequence, selecting that same sequence, email. Now we're just going to connect the fields from the Google Sheet to Git. Perfect. Looks like that's set up. So the Zap will check the Google Sheet every 2 minutes for a new row, and then once a new row is added, then that person will be added to this email sequence. And we have 4 emails here that will go out, prompting them to book a call with us.